Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are new, welcome, and I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is a Dollar General 2 off 10 breakdown. This is the last day to do this, so let's just jump into it. So the first item you are going to want to pick up is the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, and they are priced at $3.95, and we have the $3 off digital. The Aleve Back and Muscle is priced at $3.75, and we have a $3 off digital. The Celtrum Vitamins are $5, and we have a $4 off digital. So your total before coupons is going to come to $12.70. You have $10 in coupons, so $12.70 minus 2 off 10 minus your $10 in coupons brings your total to 70 cents or just 23 cents each. Guys, that is a great deal for these items. So don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I have a couple more 2 off 10 breakdowns for you to do today. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and happy couponing from my home to yours, guys.